G'day and welcome back to the channel, and thank you for joining me for part 3 of checking out the 1080p, and this time we are doing the new firmware, the 1304 2023 revision. And because of the one-time update that was introduced last time for those on pre-version 9 goggle firmware, there might be some confusion leading into this new update as to what you need to do. Now, from my reckoning and what I've seen on the feedback on the Discord, it seems that you are wanting to follow this process. The actual special one-time firmware update is a one-time firmware update, and if you have done it, you have done it. So in my case, I am on a post 9 version, but just to clear up, and so I only need to do the normal update, but just to clear up any confusion, it does seem that you only need to do that once. So if you have gone and used the 0404 2023 revision to update your goggles and gone through the special one-time goggle firmware update process, then you don't need to do that again with 1304 2023. Just go through the normal update process. Anyway, yep, on that note, I have to do that. Disconnect all goggles from the cables, keep power cable only, copy HDZero _ goggle _ this one bin to the root directory of the card, no other firmware on the boot, on the root, power on the goggles, main menu, firmware, goggle update, wait for completion about 3 minutes, then power off. That is all. Cool, let's do it. I'm going to save you from me doing it, obviously, because it's just a normal process. So we'll come back once it's done with some first impressions. Alrighty, I am ingesting and processing that footage now for the next section of this video. But look, 60 frames! 60 frames on the 1080p recording. Nice. Hopefully that transfers across. It should do into the MP4. Anyway, moving on. Okay, so I've got it there. Had a little issue when I first switched over to 1080p. It didn't give me any image. Restarted the quad, came up fine. Noticed that there's a little shutter roll, which you see in this little clip here. Look at that. Woo! Bandit pole. Apart from that, let's give it a go. It's piss wet through everywhere around here at the moment. It's just a bit of sun up. So have a quick hop up, have a look around, and bring it down. Okay. It's a little better. I hope there's no recording bug and I'm actually getting this, not just having it being lied to by the goggles, but yep, okay, there you go. I feel a little bit more comfortable flying this, but it's still not at a point where I would say I'd do this proximity over the 720p. Okay, positive result though. Let's go check this is recorded. Okay, so where does that bring us? 2 updates and a couple of flashes, 3 videos later. Okay, cool, excellent. I think that if you're looking to upgrade, this is probably okay to upgrade now. We've got the 60 frames a second in the 1080p recording. The in the goggles image is slightly improved. The post image, the DVR, and the rendered TS file, both fine and in sync. So yeah, bonza, excellent. Go out and grab that lens and give it a go. I look forward to seeing your feedback down below. Please do like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I will catch you next time.